What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create or open a Bullx Neo account. Now Bullx Neo just launched about 5 minutes ago, and this is how you can create an account. Now first you would need to click the first link in the description below that will lead you to this page right here. Now just in case if that link doesn't work for you, I will leave an access code right under it. So now let's get started. Once you click that link, it will lead you to this account creation page right here, aka the page on which you need to connect your Telegram account to Bullx. Now if you're on mobile, that's completely fine, it will work nevertheless. So once you click that link, it will ask you to start a Bullx Neo bot. So all you need to do is just click start bot, and then this chat will load right here. Now here just go ahead and press start. And as you can see, same thing for the Bullx account, it says that you're on the waitlist. But the way that you can skip this waitlist is by using an access code. Now here is where you can paste that access code that I left in the description below. So I just copied the code and I pasted it right here. Now just go ahead and click send. And there we go. The waitlist has been skipped and the access code has been redeemed. And now I can access my Bullx Neo account. Now let's just go ahead and click login right here and open this link. And there we go, Bullx Neo, welcome to Bullx, making your first trade. Now here a screen with your private keys will load, so just be sure that you copy this and save on a secure place, or you can import them to another wallet. Now just go ahead and click next right here, and here if you saved your keys, just go ahead and click I saved them. And here is how the Bullx Neo platform looks like. Now it's a much better design in my opinion than on the other Bullx platform, I mean on the main Bullx platform. So guys, that's how you can open and set up your Bullx Neo account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.